Hey guys, day 5 writing lesson for you today. We are going to be talking about facts and opinions. Remember, we are talking about argumentative writing in 7th grade right now for literacy. So keep that in mind while we're doing our writing lessons. So we're going to go to our persuasive writing lesson for facts and opinions. I'm going to click on this here, follow along, and then I will show you how to submit your assignment that goes along with this too. Okay, so facts and opinions. Which of these sentences is a fact? Which is an opinion? If you're not sure, ask yourself these questions. Which statement could be proven true? That would be a fact. So anything that can be proven true is a fact. Okay, factual. Which of these sentences is a belief or a personal judgment? That would be an opinion. So a fact can be proven true, and an opinion is somebody's feelings, somebody's personal ideas. Okay, so we need to know the difference between facts and opinions. So look at the two sentences. Okay, every middle school in the state has a library. That's your first sentence. Libraries are the best sources for books and information. All right, so which one is a fact? Which one is an opinion? Okay. Often writers state both facts and opinions. So we're going to say that the top sentence, every middle school in the state has a library, that can be proven true because all schools have libraries, right? Libraries are the best source of books and information. That can be an opinion. I personally think that, I can find a lot of my information online, right? So that is an opinion. Somebody believes that libraries are the best sources for information and books, right? All right. Often writers state both facts and opinions. That is okay, but both writers and readers must be able to tell the difference between the two. Also, even opinions should be backed up with facts. So even the way you think or the way you feel should always be backed up with facts, right? We always tell you details, details, details. Whenever you're writing a persuasive piece, you need to have details to back up your opinions. Look at the facts and opinions as you read Daniel's article. So, a message to the readers. We're reading right here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you. Our school should rethink the library and its use. Any teacher will tell you how important reading is. And reading, of course, involves having access to books. The students at WRMS don't have that access. The library is not open before or after school, and there is not enough time between classes. I think we should make some small adjustments to the daily schedule and create a 20-minute reading period at the start of each day. Students should be responsible for having a book to read, and each student could have one library pass a week to use during the 20-minute period. By choosing their own reading material, students are more likely to be motivated to read on their own. By making time for reading, the school sends the message that reading and books are important. I think that would be an excellent message for this school to send to students, parents, and all right. So he thinks that there should be a 20-minute reading period. All right. And him saying that, he's then backing it up with information. Okay. It says he thinks that it should have a 20-minute period. And then he's saying, by choosing their own reading material, students are more likely to be motivated to read on their own. That is a fact that he found. Okay. By making time for reading in schools, the message to the people, to parents and students in the community would be that they're interested in their wanting their students to read more. All right, next page. All right. Words such as think, believe, should, must, never, always, like, hate, best, and worst may signal that a statement is an opinion. Read Daniel's article again and circle any opinion words you might find. So you're not going to write those words. We're just going to go right into what you're supposed to do for your document, okay? So you're going to write 2 facts about the article. So write down 2 things that were factual that Daniel said in the article. 2 facts. Then you're going to write 2 opinions that you found in the article. All right, next. Remember, you can pause this video at any time if I'm going too fast, if you need to slow down, or if you need to write anything down, make sure you pause it, okay, because I don't want you to get confused. All right. One of Daniel's classmates has written her own opinion about the issue of reading and the school library. Read Juanita's paragraph. Watch for opinion signal words. So watch for those words like think, believe, should, must, never, always, like, hate, best, worst, all those words. Watch out for those words, okay? So this is Juanita's response. I think that we should take Daniel Murphy's idea even further. I know so many kids who don't really know what's in the library. They don't know how to find information when they have to do a school report. This school should offer a class on how to do research. There is so much information out there. We need to learn how to find it and use it. All right, in your document, in what you're going to hand in, okay, these are, again, what you're going to write. Write 1 fact about Juanita's paragraph. You can pause this video and you can write it down so that way when you go to do the assignment, you already have all the information. Second one, instead of circle, I want you to, don't worry about that first sentence. I want you to write 1 opinion that Juanita states. So the first one here, you're writing fact. Second one, you're going to write opinion. Now, state your own opinion about the library at your school. Is it well used, or should access be improved? Okay, so that is your last part. Now, I'm going to show you how, once again, to submit your assignment. I am going to go into a different screen so that way you can see just like what your screen looks like. All right, classwork, facts and opinions. We're going to click on this. And we're going to click view assignment. Clicking view assignment is super important. If you don't click view assignment, you won't be able to find the screen here. Okay, so facts and opinions. First, we're going to click on the assignment. We're going to highlight and copy. Highlighted everything. Yep. Highlight, copy. Go back to the create docs. Remember, every time that you exit out of Google Docs, it does save it. So say you do get bumped out of here for whatever reason, now you've already started it. So now it's already automatically going to be there. So you can either push CTRL V or right click paste. I just did it real quick with the CTRL. If you push CTRL on your keyboard down first and then V, that'll paste it, at least on Windows. All right. And then now everything is saved to Drive. Right. So anything you do on here is now going to be saved. Turn it in. When you turn it in, make sure you push this button and that'll send it to me. Okay. If you don't push that button, it won't send. So say if I exit out of here, if I exit out and I go back, it'll already be there because it is saved. Okay. But make sure you send it to me so that way I can grade it. Okay. Other than that, that is your writing lesson for today. If you have any questions about this assignment, make sure you comment on the video or send me a direct email and I will get back to you about any of the questions you might have. All right. And I will see you guys tomorrow for day number 6. Bye.